Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable night light on Huawei MateBook X. To do this, first we'll need to open our start and then go to the settings. Inside, select the system, display, then you should see the night light. You can enable or disable it. There's also options regarding it. If you enter night light settings, you'll be able to adjust the strength of the night light when it's enabled. And also you can schedule it for a specific time of a day. And here, if we scroll down a bit, we can pick the hours when it turns on and when it turns off. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.